My headphones shut off, so that is a clear sign. The message: if your health is deteriorating, it's because you're not listening. Listening to the correct guidance, healings. Your health should be improving. Anyway, I'm going to take this up. I am going to that 111. Ready to do some coding. I'm working with Archangel Raziel, and thank you for coming in. He's helping activate things we need to release today. We are doing a releasing. I have King of Swords, so definitely doing a bit of a cord cutting is what I'm hearing. Alright, so sacred self will be channeling through the correct coding. And Hangman in reverse. So there's no more need to wait to remove cording. Consenting and drinking water is all you need to do. And I will send my healing team of angels through to you to activate the right coding that is for you. Not all codes are for one person. Only a sequence may be all you need, but it will be activated if I am part of your healing team. Thank you, I love you. Quick, no é como cois. Hanu no é como tui. Tarateo moeku. Mi acomoda tu amotu. Manayo. Yes, momoi orutia. Kia mokoi kia, te ambokoi. Kia komboko koreti, es artum ai kus uritia. Kia mono atu, se kongotui arutu kun kurutui kus urututui. Dadadadan kukori kongurtu, tus uriti indiatu. Nananaite os orututui kangurutai tai tu. Taukus bortiaku. Kia kangurutu tu suatum pai kei tu. Kursurtui ananya kututias au monoitui. Kuruku ore kangeku. Shayamate Miamana I Kuamo Omo Mia Komboi Mana Moraku au Mana ete tukueko Ai omo etu Kieta oku Orku tutia Kia kokori kutadiaku
Korukutumbukuya. Kia chapambarakati. Karakataruku. Kuruku mo e. Mai ko orukote tu. Korakataya kus ori kongwetu. Manaiti au ku au mo ai. Kariku moi. Manai. Ho kue. Au moete. Mokoe. Go. Mono etu. Kuetu. Miete o mo a korutu. Maikus orata. Ik no otu.
The instruction I am given is to drink plenty of water. This will help you ground. Take a shower and release this energy now. These cords are now broken. And thank you.